Right guys, welcome back to the channel, to the garden. First I want to say a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to all. Just showing you my kind of UK tropical style garden at night. Some of the Christmas lights we put up, a few of them are off at the moment. I'll try and get this at a better light, but just want to kind of show you the pond lights in action. You can just see it's kind of quite well lit up. Got a few of them accenting some of the palms here at the moment. Of course, some of the tree ferns you can see off the back there also. As we just turn this way, again, a lot of the kind of Christmas decorations have gone off. So it's wanted to show you kind of a little less Christmas style, but a little more kind of as it will be normally. You just see off the back here a little sort of bridge pond build. The lights kind of shine nicely up at this little kind of general water feature. Unfortunately, the lights are blinding it out at the moment, but yeah, you can see at the moment here. Quite a nice little feature, and I'd definitely say if you haven't got any sort of lighting in the garden, I would definitely consider, some of these sort of pond lights. Again, it kind of multifaceted, as you can see. We're kind of getting up lighting on the palms here, but also all these kind of deep sort of lights in the pond. And of course, with a lot of the pond lighting, it is going to be completely waterproof. So again, we don't need to worry about if it's going to be something that's going to handle the weather or anything like that. You can just see, if we come this way, let me just take a look. Some of the water features, they light up quite nicely at night. I do like how the light accents the flowing water that you can see here. And again, kind of stepping back, and of course, I'd like to kind of reposition a lot of these lights when we are going to get into our future kind of build in 2026 of doing the interior of this pond. I'm going to be looking to kind of position these with a kind of maximum position, really get some kind of unique kind of lighting in the pond. But for the moment, I'm kind of just, I guess you could say, temporarily placing them there. But again, I think what's quite nice is that you can see how much kind of light you do get just from, again, a small LED light that is waterproof. Again, I've got probably 30 to 40 spotlights that we've got in this kind of setup at the moment, with accent lighting, the various different things here. And I think it does kind of pick up quite nicely. We're in the little kind of bar area at the back here, where it is quite nice and enclosed. And you can see I've used some of the lights for accent lights on the tree ferns, which again paired with the lights in the water. I think it creates quite a nice effect. So I definitely recommend, if you are thinking of doing some garden lighting, these are the Poposoap lights. I've got sets of 4 and sets of 6 here. In the main water feature build over there by the bridge. And if you want to check that out, that build is on the channel. If you want to check it, it was quite a short build, 3-day build. Yeah, really fun build, and yeah, enjoyed that. If you haven't checked that out, definitely check that out. But with that said, yeah, definitely recommend the lighting. At least I've used from Poposoap. That's great. If you are thinking of garden lighting, it definitely makes a big difference in your garden at night. A little bit of enjoyment. You can kind of get out here and even when it's dark and there isn't really any moonlight even at the moment, you can see it is kind of, again, creating quite a nice atmosphere. And even if you're just looking at the accent lighting for your palms, or various specimen plants that you may have in your garden, I think highly worth looking at. So with that said, just really wanted to kind of show you the kind of lighting we've got at the moment in the garden here in the ponds. And if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be sure to check them out. To be in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, quite a few bits of content coming out soon, new pond build coming out soon. And with that said, of course, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.